On the weather and traffic, but let's talk Valentine's Day still. It's all about the love, but what if you have love handles? Not good. Dr. Bill Johnson of Innovations Medical is here to talk about a procedure, and this is for the guys. Hi, Dr. Bill.
Good morning.
You know, so often when you first started your practice, I'm sure you saw an infiltration of women. It's women who want these services done, but more and more you're catering to the male audience because they have some problem areas just like us women do.
Yeah, we probably see a third of our patients are men. And you know, at Valentine's Day, what says love on a guy like a six-pack on their tummy?
Yeah, what can you do for guys right
now? So liposuction really is a great way to go because we have a lot of men that aren't willing to go and do liposuction under general anesthesia where they're knocked out, but are happy to come and do it under local where they can stay awake. And that allows us to come in afterwards and we can enhance or even create a six-pack type look and really reduce that tummy.
Wow, these pictures are really good, Dr. Bill.
Yeah.
I'm sure guys are really happy with these results. And love handles, no matter, sometimes, you know, especially with men, no matter how much you're working out, no matter how much you're really watching your diet, sometimes it's just the way the body is shaped.
We see a lot of guys that are well within their normal body weight, are fit, and still have love handles. It's just dad had love handles, granddad had love handles, they inherited it. And liposuction, again, great way to get rid of that. And then we add it with smart lipo so we get the skin tightened up and really get some impressive results in about an hour. You know, it takes about an hour to do the abdomen, it takes about an hour and a half to do the abdomen and love handles.
And because smart lipo is such an intelligent procedure, you're awake for it. You're
awake for it. They're typically back to work in a day or two unless they do a lot of lifting at their jobs.
Okay.
And, you know, hour in the office, day or two home, and you're back at work and no love handles.
And maybe a size down on those jeans.
That's right.
Okay, so we're dealing with the abs, the love handles, obviously big problem areas for many men. Let's move north a little bit and let's talk about the dreaded moobs.
Yeah.
First, I think our viewers know what moobs are, but you know, you might want to explain what that is.
The moobs, which has become the common term for male boobs or male breasts. And some men just are predisposed to put fat up in their breasts. And it really can become real cosmetic and even an ego issue with some of those guys. They just don't want to take their shirts off. And liposuction is a really great procedure, and we actually like to use the Vibro Lipo because it does a great job of getting the fat out from around the breast tissue, which is where the real problem is. And then with Smart Lipo, it's real important to do that afterwards so that we get a good tightening of the skin. We don't want to leave just loose baggy skin where we had the breast before.
Okay, how about if they don't want to do anything like Smart Lipo, maybe something a little less drastic, no surgery? Thermage can really work on these areas to tighten the skin.
Yeah, we actually do quite a few guys on their abdomens with Thermage. You can get almost a 1 or 2 inch immediate reduction on the waist in those love handles with doing Thermage, and they'll continue to see advantages and improvement for up to a year. It takes an hour or so, and there's no downtime with Thermage. They can actually go right back to work.
Okay, so we're women. We might want to buy this for our men. So where would we want to go for information and also any specials to help us get there?
Well, information is our website, innovationsmedical.com, and we're going to offer $500 off for the rest of February on men's liposuction procedures.
Excellent. Well, thank you for braving the storm today to treat us to these Valentine's specials and really great pictures. If you want more information, just log on to that website. It's innovationsmedical.com or call 972-331-8844 for a consultation. And as always, if you have a question for Dr. Bill Johnson, just drop him an email at questions@innovationsmedical.com. And now we'll send it over to